I'm Jono. Bitwarden versus Proton Pass. Let's see what holds up.
Bitwarden has been audited by academic cryptographers, independent security firms, and the open source community for 10 years. Proton Pass was open sourced at launch and audited before its first public user signed in. Both are free, both encrypt your vault. Neither has ever had a vault breach. The worst documented problem at Bitwarden is that autofill breaks after updates. The worst documented problem at Proton Pass is that autofill does not appear in certain applications, including the email client built by the same company. Bitwarden was founded in 2016 by a developer frustrated with existing password managers. Proton Pass launched in June 2023 by the Swiss company whose primary shareholder is a non-profit foundation. One has 10 years of history and the strongest audit program in this comparison. The other has 3 years of history, the strongest ownership structure, and a built-in email alias system no other password manager offers. Bitwarden's defining advantage is time. 10 years of operation, annual security audits since 2018, a German penetration testing firm, a global incident response company now owned by one of the largest technology firms, multiple cryptography-focused security firms, and in February 2026, the Applied Cryptography Group at a leading European technical university reviewed the cryptographic implementation and published the results. This is the most extensive audit program of any password manager in this comparison. Proton Pass has been audited once, at launch, by a single firm. The depth of scrutiny is not comparable yet. The key derivation advantage is technically significant. Bitwarden is the only password manager in this comparison that offers a memory hard algorithm as a user selectable option. The standard algorithm that most password managers use is processor intensive. Bitwarden's alternative is both processor intensive and memory intensive, which forces each cracking attempt to consume significant working memory. Modern graphics processors have many parallel cores but limited memory per core. The memory requirement dramatically slows hardware-accelerated offline cracking. The limitation is that the stronger option requires manual activation. New accounts default to the standard algorithm. Proton Pass has not documented offering the same option. The free tier gives unlimited passwords across every device type with no restrictions on the core functionality. The paid tier costs less than Proton Pass's paid tier and adds an integrated authentication code generator, emergency access, vault health reports, encrypted file attachments, and hardware security key support. Self-hosting is officially supported. Proton Pass does not offer self-hosting. For users or organizations that need vault data on their own infrastructure, Bitwarden is the only option in this comparison that provides it. A community project called VaultWarden exists as an alternative server implementation compatible with the official applications, though it is not officially audited. Compliance certifications cover information security management, system controls, healthcare data handling, and European and Californian data protection regulations. For enterprise buyers who need documented compliance as a procurement requirement, Bitwarden offers the combination of open source code and formal certifications that Proton Pass has not yet matched at scale. Proton Pass's defining advantage is ownership. The Proton Foundation is a Swiss non-profit and the primary shareholder of Proton AG. The remaining shares are held primarily by employees. There are no venture capital investors and no private equity owners. The Foundation's mandate is to keep the privacy mission intact, regardless of what happens to the commercial company. Bitwarden is owned by a private corporation called 8-Bit Solutions. The founder is still the chief technology officer. The company is well run, but a private company can be sold. A foundation cannot be bought. The structural protection against future mission drift is institutionally stronger at Proton. The built-in email alias system is a feature decision Bitwarden has not matched. Proton acquired an independent email alias service and integrated it directly into the password manager. When you sign up for anything, Proton Pass generates a hide my email alias at the same time it generates your password. The service gets the alias, your real address stays private, 10 aliases free, unlimited on paid plans. Bitwarden has a secure sharing feature for sending encrypted text or files. That is a different capability. It does not solve the same problem. The encryption model covers more fields than Bitwarden's architecture exposes. Proton Pass encrypts website addresses alongside passwords, usernames, and notes. The architecture uses a two-tier key model where each individual item is encrypted with its own key. The product launched the year after LastPass proved that unencrypted website addresses in stolen vault data could be used to target victims. Proton Pass was designed with that lesson already learned. The ecosystem bundle means that users who already use Proton's email and network privacy service get the password manager included, with aliases, at no additional cost beyond the existing subscription. The trade-off is the single point of failure. Every other password manager in this comparison operates independently. If your Bitwarden account has issues, your email still works. With Proton Pass, your Proton account is your email, your network service, your cloud storage, your calendar, and your password manager. One account, one set of credentials. The bundle value has a corresponding bundle risk that Bitwarden's standalone architecture does not carry. The direct comparison comes down to maturity against mission protection. Bitwarden has 10 years of audits, a memory hard key derivation option, self-hosting, and the most extensive security review program in this comparison. Proton Pass has foundation ownership, built-in email aliases, encrypted website addresses, and the strongest institutional guarantee that the company will not be sold to investors whose priorities differ from yours. The autofill problems reveal different stages of product development. Bitwarden's autofill issues are regressions. Something was working and an update broke it. Proton Pass's autofill issues are maturity gaps. The product has not yet learned how to detect certain login fields or does not appear in specific application contexts. In January 2026, Proton Pass required users to enable an experimental browser flag to make autofill work on Android browsers. Bitwarden does not require this. The gap is time, not capability, but users choosing today are choosing today, not in 3 years. Neither has a second cryptographic factor like 1Password's secret key. Both rely on your master password and the key derivation function for vault protection. If either company's server backups were stolen in a LastPass style attack, the protection against offline cracking would depend on master password strength and derivation settings. Bitwarden's memory hard algorithm provides stronger resistance to hardware-accelerated cracking than the standard algorithm both default to. Neither has a travel mode. Both are open source. One has been scrutinized by academic cryptographers. The other was audited by a respected firm before its first public user signed in. Both approaches are credible. The depth and breadth of scrutiny is where Bitwarden holds the advantage today. If you want the most audited, most scrutinized, most battle-tested open-source password manager with a memory-hard key derivation option, self-hosting, and a free tier that restricts nothing essential, Bitwarden. 10 years of operation, annual audits by multiple independent firms, and academic cryptographers. The strongest track record in this comparison for technically sophisticated users who value verifiability above all. If you are already in the Proton ecosystem using their email and network privacy service, Proton Pass, the password manager is included in the bundle. The email aliases are a capability no standalone password manager provides. The foundation ownership is the strongest structural protection against future sale of any platform in this comparison. The encrypted website addresses are a design decision informed by the exact failure that LastPass demonstrated. If you are choosing between the two on their own merits without an existing Proton subscription, Bitwarden is the safer choice today. It has 7 more years of iteration, a deeper audit record, a stronger key derivation option, and self-hosting for users who want full control over their vault data. Proton Pass is the more promising choice for 3 years from now. The ownership is better, the alias system is unique, the encryption model is broader, the autofill will mature, the features will expand, the foundation will still own the company long after the venture capital and private equity firms in this comparison have taken their returns and moved on.